Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this project I'm making 3 videos. This one is just the vases, and then I have the centerpiece that matches, and then I'm going to put another one where both of them are together. So if you only want to make the glass vases, this is the one that you want to watch. My inspiration for this is I love mirror and I love glass, and I had found some candle holders at the thrift store and I thought they were stunning, and I just really wanted them, so I had to come up with an idea on what I could do with them. And I decided, well, the mirror and the glass would be beautiful, so let's go ahead and try that. So that's what I did. Everything is in the description box for this project, but what I'm doing here is I'm taking a little E6000 on a small brush, and I'm brushing the bottom of a 4x6 glass picture frame part. And when I'm done with the E6000, I just take the hot glue, I stick it on the mirror, I hold it together, and I'm putting them in like cube form. You're going to need a total of 8 picture frame glass pieces and 2 mirror pieces. And I just wanted to note the bottom is a mirror I got from Hobby Lobby. It's slightly bigger than the Dollar Tree mirror for the base. It looked kind of silly when I tried to put it on the top, so I decided to use the Dollar Tree mirror for the top, and then this Hobby Lobby mirror, which is slightly larger, not much, but right now they're on sale for $1.50, so I picked up a couple of those. But really, this is all you're doing for your bottom base, is just hot gluing E6000, just a little bit of that. The main thing here is the hot glue, and you're just going to hold that in place on the mirror until it stands up straight by itself. I hope you guys enjoy this project. I want to thank you for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Those of you that have been following me, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I'll speak to you in a little bit. So here I am just adding the E6000 onto the glass on the bottom, and I'm hot gluing it on, and I'm trying to give you 2 different versions. This is the one without the mirror, and then I will show you the one with the mirror, but this is just the clear. If you're familiar with my work, you know that I love options. So here are two. This one is just the clear glass. This one has the mirror on top. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue the glass on top of the mirror. So then you've got the bottom on the mirror, and then you've got the top with the mirrored top as well. And I'm gonna hot glue that candle on the bottom, and then just hot glue the rest of it on top for my other cube to make the vase. And then when I make the centerpiece, I'm gonna go ahead and use the additional mirror because I like the way that it matches. But this just will give you a visual of which one to choose. So all I'm doing here is the same thing I did for the base. I'm just putting a little E6000 on the bottom, and then I'm taking the hot glue and I'm putting the picture frame on top of the mirror next to the next glass piece as close as I can get it, and then I just hold it for a couple of seconds and move on to the next. And I did this for all 4 pieces, and then the vase will be built for this one. I apologize for the silence on some of these videos. I'm in search of new non-copyrighted music, but I've been dinged a few times before on non-copyrighted sites. And so these last couple of songs have been safe, and I haven't been dinged on those, and that's why I have repetitively used them. So sorry about that. So I let my vase sit for the night. I left it overnight, and then I took the Bling Wrap. I used 3 diamonds on a row of Bling Wrap, and I glued it to the bottom of the mirror. The very first one is where I glued it, and then the other 2 hang. And I did this because not only does it help match my centerpiece, but it also helps to cover up the adhesive and the hot glue. So I also took the 3 Bling Wrap and I hot glued that around the vase on the bottom mirror as well, so you couldn't see the adhesive there either. And then I took some diamond fillers and I put them inside of the vase. And then I took the bouquet of flowers and I cut them to size so that the flowers would look good in the vase. And then I just arranged them. And that's it, guys. We're done. Unless you decide to make the centerpiece, which I have another video for. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for your time. You guys are awesome. Have a fabulous day. Bye. One quick thing before I let you go, I apologize. I am going to show you a sneaky peek of the centerpiece should you decide to make that as well. Have a great day again. Have a great week. You guys are great. Thank you so much. Bye.